Hey everyone, welcome to the introduction video for Pythagorean Theorem and Radicals Week 2. So I think most of you are familiar with Pythagorean Theorem, but we are moving on with the content, and this is the first section for chapter 9. And in this chapter, it's pretty cool. We are going to move on to trigonometry, which is all about right triangles, which is why we're starting with Pythagorean Theorem. So I'm just going to give you a little intro to what you can expect in this unit. So I just clicked on the content module or the content page in the Pythagorean Theorem module. So I have 4 videos for you. They're all pretty short. This first one is about 3 minutes long, just a nice intro to Pythagorean Theorem. This is a video of a visual representation of it, so knowing that it's just the sum of the squares added together, and it's a cool visualization, so check this video out for sure. And then something new for you all will be this Pythagorean inequalities theorem. So you all know that if a triangle is a right triangle, then a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And these inequality theorems talk about, well, what if the triangle isn't right? How do a, b, and c still relate to each other? And turns out their inequality is like less than, greater than. So check out this video for sure. That's a new concept for you. And then this video is a little bit longer. It's a Weihart video. I've showed some of you these videos before. But it goes into a little bit of the history of Pythagoras, which is interesting. So check that one out too. Alright. And then next, I have a big ideas assignment that I sent out. It's 11 questions, not too bad. It's ungraded because I'm not grading anything at this time. But if you're going to keep up with it, just finish it by Sunday, April 5th. Don't submit anything on Canvas, just submit it on Big Ideas like you normally would, just to practice these concepts. Next up is this little task. So I have this triangular cabinet in my house. So it's just like a triangular prism, and just go through the task. The hypotenuse of this is 34 inches, and my task for you is to find the possibilities for the legs of this triangle. And just submit it. I let you have like a text entry option, so you can just type your response in. Yes. So let me know what you find out, and always tell me why. How do you know your answer is right? Oh, yes. So next, this is a good time to review radicals, so square roots, and how to simplify them, because Pythagorean theorem deals a lot with squares and square roots. So this is just a page to refresh you on that content. This is a time where you can just use whatever resources you need. I have a lot here. Just do what you need. So I have 3 videos. They're all Professor Dave Explains. He's a pretty good one. And then some text ones. Math Bits notebook is always good. Purple Math is always good. And then some active practice. One on Khan Academy. One on IXL Math, which I really like these IXL Math ones. They're fun. So go through at least some of these resources. Do these practices. See what you remember. See what you need to learn for just radicals and square roots. And then I think what's left is just some practice links. Yep. So quizzes for you to continue practicing, simplifying radicals, and then another IXL math link. For this, don't submit anything on Canvas. Just practice. Just do what you need to feel confident with this skill. And that's it for this Pythagorean theorem and radicals module. Let me know what questions you have, okay?